Hello my friends, this is Michael with the Woopnik channel. Today's Black Friday, hooray! Today I will give you a few more tips how to make your Windows PC faster. I will show you now how to give a certain program like Microsoft Office, a video editor, etc. more performance in graphics settings. In order to do that, just right click here somewhere on your desktop, right click, and you go down to display settings. There is now display settings opening. Please go all the way down and click on graphics settings. So here we are, graphics settings, graphics performance preference. So here in this window you can choose between desktop apps and Microsoft Store apps. I have only desktop apps on my computer, therefore I will keep here desktop apps, and now I'm browsing for an application, for a software which I want to give more graphics performance. And I have here already open a folder, and this is for VLC, my media player on Windows 10. Very good, you can download it for free. So, and you just click here on VLC and you click on add. Boom. And as you can see here, a new little window is opening, and here it says let Windows decide, which means Windows will decide what is the best balance between performance and, for example, power saving. So I don't like that. I don't want that Windows decides, so I'm clicking on options. Here we are. Now this little window opens. Again, the default is let Windows decide. Then the second one is power saving. I don't like power saving. It's a desktop, so why should I save power? I click on high performance. GPU NVIDIA GeForce 210. I click on here, I click on save, and here it is. Now VLC media player is on high performance. Of course you can do that with any other program, desktop program or Microsoft Store application. Something else you can do to increase the performance of your computer, please do the following, at least how I do it. You just open here Windows Explorer. You right click on this PC, this one, You go all the way down to properties, and now this window here is opening, showing you all the system properties, 16 gigabytes of RAM and so on, blah blah blah. So, and now please click here on advanced system settings, and there it is. Here under the Advanced tab, you will see performance, visual effects, processor scheduling, memory usage, and virtual memory. So please click on the Settings tab, and now you see here you have multiple choices. Number 1, let Windows choose what's best for my computer. In most cases, this setting is fine. So if you really need the last bit of performance out of your computer, then change it. But other than that, just don't do it. But now we will adjust it for best performance. We click on this one here. As you saw, all the check boxes here are gone, which means certain visual effects are not there anymore because it takes too long to generate all these visual effects. And you click on apply, you click on OK, and OK again, and this is it. And now the next trick to speed up your computer. You just click here on the Windows Start button or Tile button, however you want to call it. Click on here and then click on the settings. And now the settings thing is opening. Here you find a search box, find a setting, and please type into this box defrag, D-E-F-R-A-G G. And there you have it. A little drop-down menu is opening. Yeah. Defragment and optimize your drives. I don't want to go there. This runs automatically in the background. Don't worry about it. I worry about this one here. Perform recommended maintenance task automatically. This is pretty new. This computer here is running Windows 10 version 2004. So this version has it. And it is pretty new. It just was recently introduced. So let's click on Perform Recommended Maintenance Tasks automatically. Boom. And now the window is actually now opening behind that window. So you have to minimize this window, and there's another little window. There it is. So this is a wizard. The wizard helps you to troubleshoot and help prevent computer problems. So let's just do it, system maintenance, and we click on next. And now issues might be found troubleshooting with administrator permissions. So please make sure that you are the local administrator. Okay, and now we click on here, detecting issues. Here, no changes or updates were necessary. So my computer is clear. Very good. But it looks like that this program didn't do much. It ran for barely 2 seconds. Click here on detailed information. And you see here is a busload, a truckload of information which can help you to maintain the performance of your computer. Potential issues that were checked. Troubleshooting history, blah, 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 issue not present. Error reports are taking up disk space, issue not present. And down here, troubleshooting history is taking up disk space, not present, not present. So down here, detection details, we can click here. Here's computer name, November 27th, and we can close that. So this is a great way to make sure that there is nothing stuck in Windows which could slow down your machine. And now the next tip is storage sense. In order to maintain your hard drive, your storage, in order to get there, let's go here to the Windows Start button. You click on Start, you click on Settings. Please click on System, and now here you see Storage. Please click on the Storage menu item and now you see this brand new interface here. It's really a cool program. I like it. So storage sense is either on or off on your computer. You should have it on. In case your storage sense is off, it's very easy to turn it on. Just slide it over here, and there it is. It is on. It is running right now. And now you can also, of course, configure storage sense, which is very nice. So click on storage sense, and now it is on. And now here you can determine when you want to run storage sense. Doing low free disk space, or click here on the down arrow, or every day, every week, every month, or just doing low free disk space. I leave it here. It's a default. This is good enough. You don't need to run it every day. So let's go down here, delete temporary files my apps are not using. Here you can determine how long it takes to delete your files in your recycle bin. Here you have 60 days, 30 days, 14 days, 1 day. So 30 days for me is just fine. It's against the default, because you know what? When I put something into the recycling bin, I know I want to throw it away. There are some people, they're using the recycle bin as a folder for items they might not need. So don't do that, okay? Only put stuff in your recycle bin you want to get rid of. And delete files in my download folders if I haven't opened them for more than. You can do never, 1 day, 14 days, 60 days. I have mine on never. I like to collect my downloaded files. And of course down here, if you are low with space, you can immediately clean now, free up space now. So let's click on clean now. Now it's doing its thing. It can take a while depending how many files you have, how many storage space you have, and so on. So, and now let's see, you see down here, we couldn't free up any more disk space. On this computer, I'm not doing much. This is my studio computer, and so the disks are not used very often. I do my video editing on another computer, and I bet on the other computer here, the free up space now, the clean now button, would have found some files which I can get rid of. Yep, there's a storage sense. It's a great thing. Let's go back here. Yeah, and now we go on here. You see, this here is my local drive. It's an SSD. Because of that, it's only half a terabyte. So when you see all these folders here, your library folders basically, you can double click on one of those folders, and then you see, my video folder here takes up 132 gigabytes. Ooh, that's a lot. But maybe I need all those files. So I can click here now on this button, View Videos, and there it is. Here you see all my videos. As I said, it is not my video editing system, so here's not much going on. And you can see here all your files. When you don't like a file, you can just here right click on this one and you delete it and gone. All right. So, and now we can go back here to settings, and the same for pictures. Yeah, I have 39.1 gigabyte in pictures. View pictures, here they are. It looks rather interesting, but it's not much going on. Back to settings. You can here click on show more categories, and then you see here temp files, OneDrive, maps, music, blah blah blah, and so on and so on. So click here again, fewer categories, and you are back to your core. And I believe that's a great piece of software. You should really use it.